Hello everyone and welcome to a new YouTube tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT AI like a pro. I'll share with you some of the best AI prompts for content creation, whether you are a marketer, writer, educator or an artist. These prompts will help you unlock the full power of AI and boost your creativity. So I've put them all on a simple web page together for you to access. So just check the link in the comments below and you will get these AI prompts that you can use for social media, marketing, writing, design, and health and more. So let's say, for example, that you'd like to create an Instagram caption. All you have to do is copy the prompt and then go to ChatGPT and paste that simple prompt. You can, of course, customize it however you want, and that's up to you, and that's it. So, if you have found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more AI tips, and see you on the next video.